How about an AI personal assistant that makes presentations on your phone for free? Download the app. Link will be in description as always. Say no, you don't want to pay. We can use a link, an audio, a document. We can also upload an image, take a photo, or add some text. Allow your mic, select the language. I didn't provide enough content, sorry. Here on the bottom you have some suggested questions about your document or your source. We are checking out everything, so stay tuned. Hey, and like and subscribe please. Let's check out the features. So you have transcription, presentation, mind maps. Wow. So you have all your notes here and you can share them. So let's check out the first feature, the summary. All you have to do is upload a PDF, which was what I did, and you immediately have the summary. How brilliant is this? Click on transcription and there you go. What more can we ask? Presentation, let's do this. So you have several to choose from. Choose one. Click on generate. Now that you uploaded the document, you can ask the questions. It provides suggestions, but you can write your own. Pretty useful, wouldn't you say? Look at these answers, they come so quickly. This is really quick. Check out the presentation. Lovely, isn't it? And you didn't do anything. Time is precious, and remember, I'm working for you to save your time and do amazing things, right? You can download it here. Or you can export or share over here. Just click on the dots. So, if you liked the video, don't forget I have amazing playlists for you according to your projects and interests. Have a look at them. If you like the video, as always, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for being here with me. Bye bye for now.